This tutorial will show you how to make a quick and effective typewriter effect. Hit T on the keyboard or click on the symbol here and write your words on the display. Now move over to Properties, and if you don't have that, go to Window, down to Properties, and that will open the panel up. Here you can choose your font, and I'm going to choose Special Elite, which is a free font on Google Fonts. Scroll down on Properties to find the Align functions so we can center the text. Then head to Effects and search for Crop. Drag that onto your text clip and head up to Effect Controls. Select Crop in Effect Controls and use the bounding marks to crop the image. Now to make the effect, we want to crop it to the right hand side. So if we go over to the right setting, making sure that your timeline is at the beginning, click the stopwatch to create the first keyframe. Expand the setting, go to the timeline, move the timeline along, go back to the right setting and move the bar to the left to reveal the text. And to finish the effect, we need some sound. There's hundreds of places you can get sounds. I use Envato Elements and have installed it as a plugin to make things easy. I've searched for the sound that I want, audition the sounds that come up, and choose the one that I like. Now that's downloaded, let's trim it to fit the effect and give it a play. That's the most effective, quick way I found to create the typewriter effect in Premiere Pro.